Number 6, what if I'm not a good teacher yet? No, teaching is something that you learn. I said to someone the other day, you're never going to say to someone who's becoming a doctor that they're going to do surgery on you the first year that they are studying, or after completing their course. You're not going to expect them to be the best doctors. It takes practice. You have to learn. You learn by doing. You find your groove. And then of course there's so many resources these days. Electronic resources, using visualizers, PowerPoints. But I find that talking and chalking is still valid. Just connect with those kids, get them busy, have those worksheets ready. Number 7, how do I build confidence without pretending? Same thing.